Hi guys! Welcome back to Technique Force Learning. In this video, we'll discuss why TikTok is important for your business. Let's get started. TikTok has quickly become one of the most popular social media platforms in the world, but is it worth using for your business? Since its launch in 2016, TikTok has now over 1 billion users, and the brand estimates the same 1 billion being active per month. The exposure is truly next level. And while these numbers may sound intimidating or like it's too late to get in, that is certainly not the case. If you're certainly not alone. In fact, many business owners are now starting to see that they could be missing out on this major marketing opportunity because TikTok is so different from other social media platforms. And in 2021, it's new enough to get in early and create content for your brand, but also large enough so that you have an audience right away. The time is now. TikTok is important for business because, first, you can take some creative liberties. The majority of TikTok's content is light, whimsical, and entertaining. It's real people expressing themselves in creative and often silly ways. Even if you're a serious B2B or SaaS company selling serious products or services, using TikTok for business to showcase your brand has some serious benefits. Social media users are hungry for human connections and authenticity. While there's surely a place for educational value on TikTok, positioning your company as one that's conversational and easy to connect with will make customers feel more comfortable entering into a long-term partnership with you. Of course, there is a time and place for certain things, but I can guarantee your business does have a threshold for leisure and humor it hasn't reached yet. Next, you can reach more people faster. Despite of the app being launched in 2016, TikTok has been downloaded over 2 billion times on the App Store and Google Play. Currently, TikTok is the most downloaded app in the Apple's iOS App Store, with more than 33 million downloads. This puts the platform ahead of the others that have been around a lot longer, like Snapchat, Pinterest, and Twitter. That's no surprise as the video content is king in 2021, and if there's anything that TikTok excels at, it's videos. It also means that TikTok is an ideal place to reach an international audience. And contrary to popular belief, teenagers aren't the only ones spending hours scrolling through the app. What does all of this mean? Well, for one, TikTok is a well-populated platform. Chances are, you know a teacher, a dentist, or entrepreneur who's an active user, and tapping into a tiny sliver of that audience is an opportunity for using TikTok for business that you could potentially be missing. Next, TikTok for business. Endless influencers. One of the most appealing aspects of TikTok is that anyone can go viral. It's not entirely far-fetched that a person with 0 followers and 0 views can post a TikTok video one night that has 1 million views the next morning. This ability to provide anyone with a massive following means TikTok has a limitless pool of influencers to choose from. If your brand is looking to target a particular group of people in a specific location, there's likely a perfectly suited individual who fits the criteria and already has a big following. According to the recent data, nearly 86% of marketers have used influencer marketing to generate sales or increase brand awareness. However, sifting through influencers on TikTok can be an arduous process, and it's unclear to determine whether a certain influencer is right for your product or service. To address these concerns, TikTok created the TikTok Creator Marketplace, an analytics tool that helps brands find TikTok users to partner with. It lets you access the influencer's engagement, reach, demographics, views, and much more. Next, opportunity for repurposing content. TikTok videos are capped at 60 seconds. They're generally short, customizable, and can be repurposed across all of your social media channels. Think about how much adding one of your TikTok videos to an email would spruce things up for your customers and amplify their curiosity about your future emails. Or, if you're still trying to build your community across multiple platforms, you have the option of sending that TikTok video directly to your Instagram stories. You could also publish it on your website, or use it as a presentation or onboarding videos. The more creative you get, the more brownie points you'll earn with users. However, you want to make sure you're conveying the same message on each channel. While TikTok may be ideal for lighthearted content, having images and messaging that differ completely may be confusing when someone encounters you on another platform or visits your company website. Next, it has great user engagement. When it comes to using TikTok for business, you simply cannot overlook the engagement rate. The average TikTok user spends 52 minutes per day on the app, and this increased screen time means that there's ample opportunity for advertisers to reach their customers. With the sheer variety of content on TikTok, this isn't unexpected. Whether you're a clothing brand, restaurant, or transportation company, there's a space for anyone to increase visibility for their products or services. And due to TikTok's unique delivery algorithms, you're able to get higher engagement on your videos with much less effort. Next, TikTok for business. It's budget friendly. Many brands are still apprehensive about investing time and money advertising on TikTok, thinking it will be too difficult to set up campaigns and keep track of yet another app's data. But perhaps the most attractive part of TikTok for business is that it can garner success within any size budget. Plus, compared to more established platforms, it's still relatively easy for lesser-known brands to achieve organic reach without breaking the bank. And last, versatile ad formats. If you want to learn how to use TikTok for business, the good news is that there are a variety of ad formats to choose from, including top view ads. This TikTok ad placement is arguably the best, unmissable spot and pops up 5 seconds after the user opens the app. As the longest video ad format, top view videos can be up to 60 seconds long and are full screen with both sound and autoplay. You can also add links to internal or external pages to drive traffic to your website. There is also in-feed ads. Similar to ads you see on Instagram, in-feed ads are 9 to 15 seconds long and appear in between user videos as you scroll through the For You page. The best part is that you can include multiple call to actions to increase conversions. Brands can encourage users to shop, download their app, or visit their website straight from TikTok. Another feature of in-feed ads is that users can like, comment, share, follow, and shoot videos within the same TikTok video. Next, brand takeover ads. These are TikTok ads that appear immediately when someone opens the app. Similar to Top View, this is a full-screen static or dynamic display that delivers a stronger visual impact. These ads are comparable to unskippable YouTube ads or bumper ads. However, users don't have the ability to like or comment like they do with in-feed ads. We recommend using this format in tandem with other formats available to give your ads the widest reach. Then you also have branded hashtag challenge. This engagement format taps into user passion for creative expression. Featured in TikTok's Discover page, branded hashtag challenges give users the ability to participate and build content around a specific campaign theme. When a user clicks on the sponsored hashtag, they're immediately redirected to a landing page that features the sponsored logo, website link, challenge description, and the most popular videos that are currently using the hashtag. And last, branded lenses. Branded lenses is a format of TikTok that utilizes augmented reality to bring 3D objects, face filters, and similar effects to users. These are similar to Snapchat lenses for faces and photos and help make your business more recognizable to the masses. Image of time spent, image of different ad types. So, have you tried making TikTok? And what are your thoughts about it? Put it on the comments down below. And before this video ends, did you know that you can squeeze out more sales and conversions from your ads with one simple change? A powerful AI tech automatically removes negative comments from Facebook and Instagram. Using Ad Response by Technic Force, get more sales and engagement from your Facebook and Instagram ads. Boost trust, improve conversions, get loyal buyers, and higher engagement with Ad Response powerful AI. Here are top reasons why you need Ad Response Advantage. You can get more traffic, more trust, it brings back buyers, and boosts organic reach. It all adds up to a more successful business. So try Ad Response now. Just go to getadresponse.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.